Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reset Windows, how to format laptop. Click Start, Settings. Click Recovery. Click Reset PC under Reset this PC. You can select Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Select Cloud Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.